Okay, so now we are in lesson 4, and lesson 4 is just displaying a simple server. As you can see, the setup is basically the same as the previous lessons. We have our package.json, package log, and node modules. We already explained how to get those. It's the same process. The only difference now is that in our main.js we have this code here, and also in our package.js we have a dependency here, which is HTTP status code. So what the first thing that we're going to do is create a variable called port. It's going to be in 3000. That's just for us to listen to that port again at the end. And then we're going to create another variable called HTTP, and then we're going to require HTTP, and that is one of the things in our dependencies, right? So we're just getting our so we're just getting our access into HTTP and also HTTP status codes, which is one of our dependencies. And then we create a variable called app. In that variable we use the createServer method, and we pass into it an anonymous function with request and response, and inside that function we just basically log to our console received an incoming request, and then we use response.writeHead to take the HTTP status, which is okay. This is the same as 200, and then we update the content type. We have the content type returning the response will be text or HTML, right? And then we create a response message variable, and then this is going to be the HTML that we're going to display. In our case, going to be a heading that says hello universe, and then we're just gonna use the write method to put that into our response message. We're gonna use .end. We log this. We log to our console, send a response, and then we show the response message that we sent, and all of this is listening on our port. So to run it, as you can see, I have to say node main.js, and the server is listening in port 3000. I'm just gonna create a new window here on my browser, and in that window I'm gonna say localhost 3000. See, now it's saying, let me just display the browser first. You see there's our hello universe, and also on our console, basically our terminal is saying the server has started and is listening on port number 3000, which is this line of code right here. And then I received an incoming request. That's when we received a request and sent a response. That's this, right? So that is lesson 4. Thank you. I was the driver, and Boitumelo was my navigator. Thank you.